Imagine a creature capable of shrinking and regrowing its brain, defying the typical irreversible damage seen in human brain diseases. This is precisely what scientists have uncovered in the common shrew, a tiny mammal that offers groundbreaking insights into neurodegenerative disorders. But here's where it gets controversial. Could the secrets held within the shrew's brain hold the key to reversing conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's in humans? Asterisk, and their remarkable brain adaptation. Common shrews, along with a few other mammals, undergo a unique seasonal cycle known as Dehnel's phenomenon, where their brains shrink and regrow. This rare process has puzzled scientists for decades. How can a brain lose volume and regrow months later without sustaining permanent damage? To unravel this mystery, researchers from the Max Planck Institute of Animal Behavior in Germany used non-invasive MRI to study shrews experiencing brain shrinkage. They discovered that the key to this phenomenon lies in water regulation within brain cells. Our shrews lost 9% of their brains during shrinkage, but the cells did not die, explains Dr. Cecilia Baldoni, a postdoctoral researcher at the Max Planck Institute. The cells lost water. In most organisms, brain cells that lose water become damaged and eventually die. However, in shrews, the cells not only survived but also increased in number. This finding opens up new avenues for understanding and potentially treating human brain diseases. The role of aquaporin 4 proteins. The study revealed that a specific protein called aquaporin 4 plays a crucial role in moving water out of the brain cells. This protein is also found in higher quantities in the brains of humans suffering from diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. We see that brain shrinkage in shrews closely mirrors what happens in patients with these diseases, notes Associate Prof. John Neeland, an expert in human brain disease at Aalborg University, Denmark. This similarity suggests that shrews could provide valuable insights into developing treatments. Ecological implications and future research. For ecologists, this study sheds light on a rare seasonal strategy. Common shrews, which are about the size of a thumb, must eat every few hours, regardless of the season. During winter, when food is scarce, their brains shrink to help conserve energy. Shrews still need to find food, escape predators, and carry out their daily activities with a smaller brain, says Dehnel, a group leader at the Max Planck Institute. It's truly remarkable how they managed to do this. The researchers used high-resolution MRI to track changes in the brains of wild common shrews over the seasons. They observed that the brains of shrews lost about 9% of their volume in winter, primarily due to water loss from brain cells. However, not all brain regions shrank equally. The neocortex and cerebellum, which are crucial for cognitive and motor functions, maintained a more stable water balance. It's like the shrews are adjusting their brains for winter, much like we might adjust heating in a house, keeping essential rooms warm while reducing power in others, explains Baldoni. Potential medical breakthroughs for neurologists. The implications are profound. Many human brain diseases involve a loss of brain volume due to water loss. But unlike shrews, this loss in humans is irreversible. So far, there is no treatment for any brain disease that can prevent or reverse this loss of brain volume, says Neeland. Shrews, however, have biological tools to not only stop this process, but also reverse it. The next step for the research team is to study the regrowth phase of Dehnel's phenomenon, hoping to uncover mechanisms that could lead to new treatments for neurodegenerative diseases. The idea that we might have a model animal that can help us learn how to treat diseases that are currently incurable is the most exciting thing I can think of, adds Neeland. Conclusion. The discovery of how shrews manage to shrink and regrow their brains without permanent damage is a significant breakthrough. It not only deepens our understanding of brain plasticity, but also holds promise for developing novel treatments for human brain diseases. As research continues, the potential for medical advancements is immense, and the shrew's unique ability remains a fascinating subject for both ecologists and neuroscientists. And this is the part most people miss. The shrew's brain adaptation is not just a curious biological quirk. It could be the key to unlocking new therapies for some of the most debilitating human conditions. What do you think? Is the shrew's brain the missing piece in the puzzle of neurodegenerative diseases? Or is there more to discover? Share your thoughts in the comments below.